everyone, welcome back to my channel Doita's Canvas. After a long break, I am finally back with digital art tutorials. I know I have not uploaded any digital art content in last year, but from now I will try regularly share digital art tutorials, app reviews, drawing tips and other helpful content for beginner artists. So let's start today's video. Today's artwork inspired by something very easy but very special. During this mango season, I found a mango. Its shape exactly looked like our childhood drawing we all drew in our school life. And I immediately got an idea to turning it into a digital illustration. For today's artwork, I completely drawing in my Android mobile phone with my finger. Many people think digital art needs expensive equipment like tablet and stylus, but it's not true. If you are interested in digital art, you can draw it in your smartphone. If you have a smartphone and a right drawing app, you can learn it very easily. If you are interested in learning digital art from beginners level, please watch the video till the end and like my video and subscribe my channel for more digital art tutorials and drawing tips and drawing app ideas and other tools ideas to learn it properly. And tell me in the comment section which part of the video you like the most and which type of digital art tutorials helps you to learn it properly. Tell me in the comment section. I will try to provide tutorials about these topics. So let's start today's drawing. So here is my reference. First I observe the shape of this mango. Always keep a reference beside your canvas because it helps improve observation skills. Then I take my mobile phone and open Infinite Painter app. Already you all know I use Infinite Painter app for digital art. I already uploaded a tutorial video about Infinite Painter app. You can check on my YouTube channel and I also give the link in this video's description box. Then I create a canvas. I choose 8 by 12 inch canvas size. Click on the preset option. You can choose any canvas sizes. Then I choose a simple pencil brush and black color. I choose circle option and draw a circle and give it a oval shape. Then I choose another pencil brush and brown color and draw a rough outline sketch following the oval shape. Notice that a mango is not a perfect oval. One side is usually slightly wider and the top has a gentle curve. Then I choose a simple pencil brush and black color. I choose circle option and draw a circle and give it a oval shape. Then I choose another pencil brush and brown color and draw a rough outline sketch following the oval shape. Notice that a mango is not a perfect oval. One side is usually slightly wider and the top has a gentle curve. After this, I create another layer and taking same pencil brush and brown color and draw the final outline of this mango. So here is our final outline pencil sketch. Now it's time to add the base colors. I am choose fill option and light green color and fill under the outline. Then I start light and shadow part. To do this, I choose charcoal stick brush. It's also my favorite brush. In future, I will try to make a video about these brushes. Real fruits always have color variations. That's what makes them look realistic. Now comes my favorite part, blending. I am using a same brush to blend the colors smoothly. Many beginners think they need premium brushes, but that's not true. Learning light, shadow and blending is much more important than using expensive brushes. Blending is the most important part of digital art. Blend gently with small circular motions. Don't overblend because we still want to keep some colors variation. The transition between yellow and orange should look soft and natural. This step really starts bringing the mango to life. draw the dots above the mango skin, I go to sprayers option and choose splatter and draw the dots with light yellow color and then reduce the opacity of dots. Next, I added shadows. Look carefully at my reference and identify where the light is coming from. The opposite side will naturally be darker. For upper part, I use dark orange color and for lower part, I use dark green color to draw the shadow. Highlights make the mango look fresh and shiny. Even small highlights can completely change the realism of painting. This is one of the most important steps, so don't rush. Also, you can follow the tutorial and draw a digital art like me. And you can check my previous digital art tutorials. It also can help you to learn digital art properly. If you try digital art after following my tutorial, you can DM me or tag me in my Instagram account or Facebook account. All social media link I will give in description box of this video. So here is my final drawing, but after completing it, I feel incomplete. So then I decided to give a leaf to make it more realistic and attractive. Then I draw a leaf and give light and shadow on it and try to make it realistic. And lastly, I give a shadow with grey color under the mango as I see in my reference object. And my digital art is done, so here is my final result of my today's digital art. Here is the final artwork. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment on my video and subscribe my channel for more digital art tutorials and other drawing videos. See you in the next video. Bye.